Hi everyone, my name is Juan Sauceda and today I'm going to present my family tree. In this presentation I will talk about my family members, their nationalities and their personalities. My family is very special because it is multicultural. For example, I am from Mexico and my wife is from another country. I will also describe some members of my family. Um, Uh, I will talk about my family. This is my mother. Her name is Ofelia. She is 50 years old. She is Mexican. She is nice and kind. Uh, she is a good mother and she always helps our family. This is my father. His name is Bernardo. He is 55 years old. He is Mexican. He is good and serious. He works a lot and he loves his family. I have one brother. His name is Bernardo. He is 55 years old. He is a funny and nice. And he likes to spend time with his family. This is my sister-in-law. Her name is Anai. She is uh, 24 years old. She is a kind and happy. She is a very friendly and she is a good person. They have two child. Uh, this is my niece Daniela. She is 6 years old. She is happy and nice. She likes to play. And this is my nephew Patricio. He is 5 years old. Um, he's funny and happy. Uh, he likes toys. Uh, Now I will talk about my wife family. My my wife is Kimberly Cordova. My wife is a famous singer, and everyone knows her. She is uh, 30 years old. She is American. She is nice and kind. Uh, she is a very important to me, and I love her very much. Um, Now this is are her parents. This is my mother-in-law, Rosario. She is 60 years old. She is calm and nice. She loves her family. Um, this is my father-in-law, Diego. He is 65 years old. He is funny and good. He likes to talk a lot. Uh, she has one brother. Uh, he is my brother-in-law, Diego. He is 30 years old. He's a nice and funny. He is a good brother. Um, this is my brother-in-law's wife. Her name is Stefania. She is 28 years old. She is nice and kind. She is a very friendly. They have one child. This is my nephew, Diego. He is 7 years old. He is happy and funny. He likes to play and run. Uh, Now I want to talk uh, about my family. This is my family, my wife, uh, Kimberly, and I have three child. We are a happy family because this this is my daughter Sarah. She is 10 years old. She is a nice and happy. She is a good student. This is our son Roberto. He is 8 years old. He is funny and happy. He likes to play. Um, this is my daughter Dana. She is years old. She is nice and happy. She loves her family. And my child are Mexican American. They speak English and Spanish. Thank you.